Welcome. Welcome at the Concorso d'Eleganza at Villa d'Este. This is where the past and future of automotive excellence meet. And there is no better place to unveil a machine that represents the very soul of BMW M better than here, the new BMW M2 CS. But before we dive in, let's take a closer look at the badge itself. CS, Competition Sport. First seen on the M4 CS in 2017 and rooted in the legacy of the M3 Evolution of 1988. And CS combines three core values of BMW M: uncompromising dynamics, aerodynamic optimization, and weight reduction. Born on the racetrack, made for the streets. The BMW M2 CS takes everything that defines BMW M, precision, agility, and dynamics, and hones it into a razor-sharp package. We're talking about 530 horsepower from a high-revving inline six-cylinder turbocharged engine, combined with 650 Newton meters of torque. And actually, that leads to a 0 to 100 time of just 3.8 seconds and a top speed of 302 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about speed. It is about balance. It is about control. It is about connection. It is about turning every corner into an experience. And that is why we worked so hard to shed weight from the M2. We took out about 30 kilograms of weight, and we did that by several new carbon fiber reinforced components like the roof, the trunk lid, and on the interior, the center console, as well as the carbon fiber bucket seats. The suspension has been re-engineered for maximum precision. We lowered the suspension by about 8 millimeters and also made a completely new setup of the chassis and the suspension system. So with that, the car became even more sharper than the M2 already is. The CS badge always stood for something rare, something focused. It's all about weight reduction, more emotion, more performance. Now let's take a look into the details of the design of the car. And I'd like to welcome Oliver Heilmer, who recently took over the responsible for BMW M design. Oliver, would you please join me and give a few words to the audience about the design of the car? Hi.
Yeah, so first of all, an amazing place. The perfect setup for those stunning cars. So thank you for that concept. It gave us a big chance for us in the design to create something really special. Overall, what we try to achieve with this design is to kind of enable the purest driving experience, to increase like the aerodynamic downforce, lower the weight, you mentioned that already, lower the body, which always helps a lot. And last but not least, create a package that is so different in terms of performance. So the front bumper is new, and every little component which is in those air intakes is as thin as possible. It's actually so thin that we had to reinforce it with this kind of diagonal shape. So That's really purpose-driven, and that's what I like. And I think that gives the car kind of a, let's say, a really determined expression. The body already is pretty outstanding. By the way, you see this color concept, the exterior color, velvet blue, matches perfectly to this matte gold wheels. In terms of lightweight, we show it. So we have the carbon fiber mirror caps, we do have the carbon fiber roof. My favorite is the rear. Why? Because we combined downforce with lightweight. So the deck lid in this ducktail shape, totally integrated, is something that is so outstanding even from further away. We always talking about what is show off and what is performance. This is just performance, not show off.
It's both. It's lightweight and it's downforce.
Yes.
So it helps in both ways.
So amazing. And the same in terms of lightweight we did in the interior. This car has carbon fiber seats. You see it already when you try to enter the car. We have the door sills with the specific M2 CS logo, the same in the seats. And the center console, one piece of carbon fiber. And then a little Easter egg. You see this little insert in the door. In your garage or when you're driving in the night, the CS logo is shining through. But Frank, we are here, you know, it's not just the M2 CS, it's the entire CS lineup.
Yes, actually we do have the entire lineup here from our CS models, and they all share the same DNA. It's all about taking the weight out, upping the performance, and being something special. And we have some recent examples here, like the Valentino Rossi edition in two versions, only 46 cars, very special, 550 horsepower, titanium exhaust, really, really cool, a really sharp machine and in very high demand. And with a very famous person that gave his name to the special edition and also his number. And the other example we do have at the other end of this lineup is the M3 CS. It's the same principle, but a different car. Because for the first time, we have track performance and everyday usability in one car. So that is the perfect combination for a person who wants all in one car.
It's a family car actually, right?
It's a very fast family car. So that is the whole lineup, and our latest member, the M2 CS, I guess is also the sharpest one right now, but that's always the case with the new products.
Yeah, I would say in 2 words, it's bold and pure.
I have nothing to add to that. Thank you very much, Oliver.
Pleasure.